Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy K. I'm back again with another video, guys. And on this video, we are going to analyze the USDCHF, which is also known as the dollar Swiss. Okay, guys. If you can remember in our previous video, we had an analysis on the dollar index. You remember, guys? So looking at this chart, we already know that we should be looking for a buy. Okay. This is because if the dollar index does strengthen in the coming weeks and starts trading in an upward direction, we would expect the same for the USD Swiss. Okay, guys, because when the dollar strengthens, that means that anything paired with the dollar is going to have weakness at the moment, at least until the dollar loses its strength. Okay, guys. So looking at this chart, we already know that it would be best if we look for a buy, but then we're not certain because if the market tells us that there's no buy, then we can't take a trade. But then if we do manage to see a buy in the process, we know that a buy is more prone to happen than a sell would. Okay, because there is correlation between the dollar index and the dollar currency. So each every pair that has a dollar in it, you would expect that the dollar would be stronger than the other currency that it would be trading against. Okay, guys. So moving on to the analysis. What I did here is just simple, like on the previous video. This is where I plot my major resistance. This is my major support. This is my mid-range zone. Okay, guys. Just like I always do. So moving on to our daily chart. I'm just gonna do the same thing for the daily chart. Plot mid-ranges, just so that they can give me a clear picture, like this one does. It shows me that price has traded in this resistance zone and it's actually respecting it quite well, so we would want to work with that. Okay, guys. So now I'm gonna move on to my forward chart and start plotting my trend lines, just so that they can give me nice entry points and actually show me what the actual trend is. So from what I see now, the actual trend could be a downtrend, and it is a downtrend because we also saw that price reversed from a major resistance zone. Okay, guys. So we're just gonna go ahead and plot our support there. We have the support, so we have this channel right here. This is what we're gonna work with, guys. By just looking at this channel, I already see a buy. Okay, because price is trading on our support level there. This acts as support. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna move on to my 1 hour chart and try and look for a sweet trade we can take, guys. Okay. And already what I'm seeing is we have a channel within this channel right here. Okay. So we have that trend line there. Let me just clone this and try making it a channel, just so that it can look relevant. Okay. So we can just end that support there. So looking at those, guys, we have a downward channel within this downward channel. Okay, so we have a major downtrend, and then we have a channel in within this major channel here. But then what we see is that price broke this minor channel here. It broke this resistance and turned that resistance into support, and now could have an impulse to the upside. Okay, but then looking at this trade, I think we a bit late, but then we're gonna take it anyway. And remember, guys, I'm not advising anyone to actually take signals from me. I'm not doing signals here. I'm just giving forecasts on what I think could happen in the market, guys. Okay, so if you take a trade on this, I'm entirely not responsible for the outcome you would have on the trade. Okay, guys, I'm not responsible for any of that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and plot my stop loss just below that support there, that reversal we had there. The reason I do this is because normally it isn't easy for price to actually move from there and go back to where it reversed. Okay, it does happen, but it is not likely. What could happen here is that price could actually start off a trend, the proper one, and actually trade to the upward direction, or price could come here and try testing this level again. Okay, guys, Even if it does, price is gonna stop us out. But then after it stops us out, we can wait for proper reversal candlesticks that would confirm that okay, price could go to the upward side again, and then enter a trade again. Okay, guys. So I'll keep on making a follow up on this trade here. But then this is the trade we're gonna be looking at for this week, guys. Okay. So we analyzed the dollar index. We know that okay, the dollar index could be in a buy state at the moment. So if it does buy, guys, then we would expect the dollar Swiss to actually be in an uptrend, guys. Okay. So this is it for the dollar Swiss. I see a buy here, and this is where I would like to exit the trade on my next level. The reason why I exit here is because, as you can see, this level is quite strong. It acted as support. It's support there. It broke that support, turned it into a resistance, and managed to push to the downside, guys. So what would happen when price reaches that level there? It could reverse and give us a reversal to the downside, or price could break that level, trade somewhere around this trend line here. We don't know what price will do when it gets there, but then we'll just see what price does after some time. Okay, guys. So that's it on this video. I hope you guys liked this video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys. Cheers.